Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Bugle celebrated his birthday yesterday ahead of his first European tour. The no-compatible reggae artist was in Portmore for his celebration. E Prime caught up with Bugle, who shared on his upcoming summer tour for his album Toxicity, released in 2021.
The album still had a great, we still have short video up for the album because it's still requested across the world. Of course, we have the tour that come up this summer, Europe, UK, Africa. It's just a joy. I look forward for them on the road because we're going to go on the road for a minute now. So we just go and put in the work, man, and I make sure so that we go out there, go educate the people as much as we can because the world needs it.
He added how he managed to stay relevant 16 years later in the music business.
The rhythm might be different, but the lyrical content remain the same way because the truth is always the truth. And it doesn't really matter how you tell the truth is just the truth, and the truth is always going to be effective. And that's why I can last 16 years in the business and still relevant because of the lyrical content I have in my music. You know what I say? So, not change not really there where the content of my music is concerned. And we give thanks to that same way too because I will have a different route that I could have taken. But I not take them road because that I know me on the inside. I'm not going to just do it because of this man, of this Dancehall man, John Brown. I don't know. Me a Bugle, this Bugle.
Bugle in closing shared his thoughts on Jamaica celebrating Reggae Month.
The music always a maintain, show always a keep, Jamaica always a keep. You know me I say, for me every month a reggae month, a reggae play every day, reggae play every month. You understand, no limit no there to reggae, we can't limit reggae to just 1 month. But we still give thanks, you can dedicate a few days to the music.
His album Toxicity was released in the height of the COVID-19 pandemic by Anointed Entertainment. This prevented the usual tours. However, the album still holds strong due to the strong messages and features with Jesse Royal, Beenie Man, Jamil, Kabaka Pyramid, Julian Marley, Bounty Killer, and others. R. Kelly to see cases dropped. According to U.S. outlets, Cook County State's Attorney Kim Fox will be dropping 4 indictments accusing R. Kelly of sexual assault and sex abuse. On Monday, Fox announced her office will no longer be pursuing these indictments and will ask a judge to dismiss the charges.
I'm here to inform you that the Cook County State's Attorney's Office will no longer be pursuing these indictments. I want to reiterate our office's support of the investigations that led to the charges and convictions both in the Eastern District of New York and the Northern District of Illinois. It is to that end that due to the extensive sentences that these convictions hold, our office has decided not to continue to expend our limited resources and court time with the indictments that we previously charged Mr. Kelly.
She went on to say that sometimes justice is served even when there is no conviction. Kelly is already facing decades in prison following 2 separate convictions on federal charges. Looking at a 30-year prison sentence following a 2021 racketeering conviction in federal court in New York, Fox said he faces 10 to 90 more years in prison following his conviction in a federal court in Chicago on charges of child pornography and enticing minors to engage in sex. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.